A man once convicted of murder and sentenced to death row is now talking about his time on death row and this second chance to prove his innocence. WCPO 9 News reporter Taylor Nimmo spoke with Jones, Elwood Jones that is, and his attorneys about the fight for a new trial. Taylor.
Today, Elwood Jones says he's still in disbelief. He said when he found out he was granted a new trial, he was at a loss of words. Now, Jones says he is innocent, and this new trial gives him hope.
I did not kill Miss Nathan, and no matter what no one say, I did not, and I still say I did not. I'm not a murderer. I was a thief, and I'm first to tell you, I got a pass. But it's not for violence.
Elwood Jones was sentenced to death for the murder of Rhoda Nathan in 1997. Today, Jones speaking out about his time in prison.
Each day I get up, I would go sit in my cell or pull out my typewriter, usually write a letter to somebody. I spent just them whole 27.5 years writing letters, asking someone just to look at this case.
Back in December, Hamilton County Judge Wendy Cross said blood tests, witness statements, and 400 pages of hotel guest questionnaire responses were among the evidence withheld during Jones's initial trial. Jones was granted bond and released from the Hamilton County Justice Center on January 14th after almost 3 decades in prison. Jones says a lot has changed since then.
Technology and the city is totally changed, and it's a lot of change.
And what he's enjoyed most over the last few months.
For me to pick up my nieces and nephews and hope.
Former Hamilton County Prosecutor Joe Dieters says the evidence was overwhelming and the judge was wrong to grant a new trial.
A culmination of a lot of circumstantial evidence that fits perfectly together and leaves, in my mind, no doubt Elwood did this.
The Hamilton County Prosecutor's Office issued a statement after Jones was released, saying in part that 10 different courts reviewed and upheld Jones's conviction over the years.
He beat the only witness to this crime, which was Rhoda Nathan. Not only beat her, but beat her to death.
The prosecutor's office argues that the Ohio Constitution states that those charged with capital offenses are not eligible for bail. The prosecution appealed the overturned conviction to the 1st District Court of Appeals. It was denied last week. The prosecution now has about 6 weeks to file an appeal with the Ohio Supreme Court, and the new trial is set for February 2024. Reporting live from the Hamilton County Courthouse, Taylor Nimmo, WCPO 9 News.